Hi friends, I'm out here in the aviary today, the Longbird House as they call it, or the Big Conure House. Nowadays it's mostly Indian ringnecks and that's perfectly fine with me. We're going to change out some light bulbs. I hung these garden style outdoor patio lights up in here several years ago and they really do make a big difference. Now, in the daytime, especially during the summer, there's plenty of light in here. During the winter, there's not. And I want to extend the lights, especially during the autumn and the winter and the spring, so that the birds have at least 12 hours of light a day. Now, I got these lights off Amazon, and they came with the Edison style LED bulbs, and those have worked fine, but they put off a yellow tint. You can see the difference between these bulbs and those bulbs. These are the daylight bulbs, the 5,000 Kelvin lights. Those are the ones that are more full spectrum that the birds need. You'll notice that what I've done is I have taken and bought the Y splitters that allows me to put two bulbs into each socket on the string lights. What we're going to do today is we're going to change out the Edison style bulbs to more of the daylight LED bulbs and see if that makes a big difference for the birds. I have the very handsome Jeremiah down here. I would say he's helping me, but he's actually doing all the work. He is taller than his mother, almost as tall as me, but still needs to stand on a milk crate. I would have to stand on the milk crate also to do that, and with the way that I fall, it's just really not safe for me to be up there doing it. And so I kind of have volunteered him to do it for me. Oh, look at the difference in that already. It's amazing. You're doing such a wonderful job, Jeremiah. I'm so proud of you.
And I'm trying my best.
Y'all leave Jeremiah some compliments down in the comments. Oh my gosh, you're just awesome. And we're going to save these Edison bulbs, not sure what for, but we're going to keep them anyhow. Let's see. There he is. You're so wonderful. Look at him go. He's becoming a pro at this. I wanted to do this earlier in the year, but we had to wait because the ringnecks were breeding and I didn't want to disturb them. I just have taken the very last baby into the house. Uh-oh, do not fall.
Why not?
Well, because there's yucky stuff on the ground.
That's the only reason. God.
Well, I don't want you to get hurt, obviously, but I don't want to have to carry you to the emergency room covered in chicken stuff.
That is easy. Glory, hallelujah.
I shall not be moved. Anchored in Jehovah, I shall not be moved. Like a tree that's planted by the waters, I shall not be moved. Didn't he do an amazing job? Didn't he do an amazing job? I really think he did. That made a huge difference in here. It's going to help the birds out tremendously. Like I was saying, I had to wait until the ringnecks were through breeding. The Vosses and the Amazons, they're going to start very, very soon, I hope. Those and the macaws, I really, really hope and pray that we get babies from all of them this year. That would just thrill me to no end. We're going to keep the Edison bulbs. Like I said, I'm not sure why, but they still work, so there's no reason not to. So y'all want to see some birds? Thought so. I'm going to go ahead and say bye. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.